Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about countable and uncountable nouns. Before that, let's revise nouns. A noun is the name of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. For example, a girl, Chandigarh, a dog, a bottle. So, these are all nouns. But few are countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. They have a singular and a plural form. Example, butterfly and butterflies. So, if there is a one butterfly, we will say butterfly or a butterfly. And if there are many, we will say butterflies. But my dear students, there are certain nouns which are known as uncountable nouns. These uncountable nouns are those nouns which we can't count in numbers. They don't have plural forms because we can't count them in number. So they don't have plural form. Example for it is salt. We say salt, but we don't say salts. So salts is wrong. We don't have the plural form of salt. Similarly, we say water, but we don't say waters. We say sugar, we don't say sugars. We say flow, but we don't say floors. Floors is wrong. Exactly in the same way, we say milk, we don't say milks. We don't have the plural form of milk. We don't use a or an with uncountable nouns. Children, if we want to ask about the quantity of an uncountable noun, we ask how much. For example, how much rice? 1 kg rice. As we all know that rice is an uncountable noun. But we will not ask how many rice. We will ask how much rice. That is why we can't use a or an with the uncountable nouns. So, if we have uncountable nouns, we use measure words to give them quantification. Or you can say we can make them countable by using these measure words. Examples are a loaf of bread, a piece of paper, a slice of pizza, a bolt of lightning, a deck of cards, a bunch of grapes, a tube of toothpaste, a gallon of water, a kilo of sugar, a can of Pepsi, a box of cereal, a bar of soap, a carton of milk. So, there are many more measure words. We use these words to understand or quantify the uncountable nouns. Or you can say by using these measure words we can make uncountable nouns countable. Singular and plural nouns. Children, singular nouns tell us about one person, place, animal or thing. For example, bat, leaf, child, baby. And plural nouns tell us about more than one person, animal, place or thing. For example, bats, leaves, children, babies. Now Look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. A dog is playing with a ball. Two dogs are playing with a ball. In sentence 1, dog is a singular noun. In sentence 2, dogs is a plural noun. How to form plurals? There are various rules to change singular nouns to plural nouns. We will now learn some of these rules. By adding s at the end of the singular word. Children, to change noun from singular to plural, we only add s at the end. Toy, toys. Car, cars. Pot, pots. Nouns that end in s, ss, ch, sh, x, o form their plural noun by adding es to the singular noun. Children, if a noun is ending in s, ss, ch, sh, x, o, how do we form their plural? By adding es to them. Bus, buses. Class, classes. Fox, foxes. Brush, brushes. Branch, branches. Potato, potatoes. Nouns ending in y form their plural by changing y to ies. Children, if a noun is ending in y, so how do we form its plural? We will change y into ies. Baby, babies. Here the noun baby is ending in y. So we will remove y and we will add ies. Mummy, mummies. Here also the noun mummy is ending in y. So we have removed y and we have added ies. Lady, ladies. Puppy, puppies. By adding ves after removing f or fe from words ending with f or fe. Children, if a word is ending with f or fe, we will remove f or fe and we will add ves. Knife, nice. Here the noun knife is ending in fe. So we will remove fe and we will add ves. Wife, wives. Here again the word is ending in fe. So we will remove fe and we will add ves. Leaf, leaves. Here the word is ending in f. So we will remove f and we will add ves. Loaf, loaves. Children, but some nouns do not follow any of the rules given above. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. So, we have to keep in mind their singular and plural forms. Man, men. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. Sheep, sheep. Women, women. Deer, deer. Children, remember that sheep and deer, these are the words which singular and plural forms are the same. Children, some nouns look plural but are actually singular. Examples: news. It looks plural but actually it is singular. Names of subjects like physics, mathematics. Names of illnesses like measles, mumps. So, these are some nouns which look plural but they are actually singular. So, children, I hope you have understood this chapter very nicely. So, see the video twice. Thank you.